Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
And today, we are going to a coffee shop.
Yes, a coffee shop. I love coffee shops. I go every single day.
Every day. Alice, that is a lot of coffee.
I know, but the coffee is so good. What can I say?
Okay. So today, we are going to learn English at the coffee shop.
Yes, we will learn how to order coffee, how to talk to the barista, and how to have a small conversation.
This is perfect for beginners. Simple English, real situations.
And if you are new here, welcome. We make English easy for you.
So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Let's go to the coffee shop.
Imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop. The barista looks at you and smiles.
And your brain goes completely blank.
Yes, that moment. We've all been there.
Today we fix that. For good.
Okay, you open the door, you walk in. The smell of coffee hits you.
Amazing.
And the barista says, "Hi, welcome in." Or, "Good morning, how are you?"
Simple, friendly, just a hello.
So, what do you say?
Okay, real talk. My first time in an English coffee shop.
What happened?
Just pointed at the menu. Said absolutely nothing.
Here's all you need to say. Ready?
Barista says, "Hi, how are you today?"
You say, "Good, thank you. How are you?"
That is it.
Short answers work too. "I'm fine, thanks." Perfect.
Or just good, thanks. Totally natural.
You don't need a long sentence. Simple is always enough. You walked in. You said hello. Now, you look at the menu.
And suddenly, so many words.
Latte, cappuccino, Americano, flat white.
David, what even is a flat white?
Great question. Small, strong latte. Huge in Australia and the UK.
I did not know that.
See? Even native speakers learn something new every day.
Okay, so you're staring at the menu. You need more time. The barista asks.
Are you ready to order?
And you're not ready. That's fine. Just say.
Can I have one moment?
Perfect. Polite. Natural.
Just a second, please.
Just a second, please. Also 100% perfect.
And the barista? They will always say,
Of course. Take your time.
no pressure, no rush. Coffee shops are relaxed.
So breathe. Look at the menu. And when you're ready.
We order. That's the next lesson. Stay with us.
Okay, David, this is the big moment. Ordering your...
Yes, but don't worry. It's actually very easy.
Just remember this simple formula. Size, drink, extras.
Size, drink, extras. That's it.
For example, can I get a large latte, please?
Size large, drink latte. Simple.
Or, I'll have a medium cappuccino, please.
Nice and natural.
And with extras, can I get a small hot chocolate with whipped cream, please?
Exactly. Simple English. Real conversation. Okay, milk time.
What kind of milk would you like?
Regular milk, please.
Or oat milk, please.
If you don't know, ask, what is oat milk?
Or say, just regular milk is fine, thank you.
Nice and sugar.
1 sugar, please.
Or no sugar. Thank you.
Keep it simple. Keep it natural. Okay, you ordered your drink. Now, time to pay.
The barista will tell you the price. Maybe that's $4.50, please.
And you say, here you go.
Such a useful phrase. Very natural.
Or maybe you didn't hear the price.
Oh yes, coffee shops can be noisy.
So you can ask, sorry, how much was that?
Or could you repeat that, please?
Perfect, simple and polite.
Then maybe you pay by card.
So you ask, do you take card?
And the barista says, yes, of course. Or sorry, cash only.
And you say, oh, okay, no problem.
After you pay, the barista might ask, can I get a name for the order?
Just say your name. It's David.
Then you wait for your drink.
And soon you hear, your drink is ready.
And you say, that's me, thank you.
So, listeners, Pay attention. Don't miss your coffee.
Yes, coffee first.
Okay, you got your drink. Now, time to go.
And don't forget to say something friendly.
The barista might say, "Have a great day."
And you say, "You too. Thank you."
Simple, natural, easy.
Or you can say, "See you next time."
Ooh, that sounds confident.
Even if it's your first visit.
Exactly. Smile, grab your coffee, and enjoy your day.
Coffee and English, perfect combination.
And that's today's lesson, everyone.
We went to the coffee shop together in English.
You learned how to order drinks, pay, and speak with confidence.
And remember, don't be afraid to practice. Every time gets easier.
Now tell us in the comments.
What's your favorite coffee shop drink?
Coffee? Tea? Hot chocolate?
We want to hear from you.
And if this lesson helped you,
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
we make simple and fun English lessons every week.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.